Now we have traced around all of the edges, and now I'm going to take the pattern off the paper, or the t-shirt that is the pattern off the paper, and I'm going to true up my original lines. And there are basic things that we have to take into account when we're truing things up, and I'll go over those. So I want to start by labeling this with an F or the word front, so I know on my pattern that this is the front. And basically we need right angles at the folds. We're going to need a right angle at the top, and we're just going to make sure that's a right angle. And then we are going to go ahead and take these dotted lines and connect them into a straight line, or a more precise line. And we're carving out the shape with this new line here. Little by little, and connecting these lines into a shape. And then we can kind of erase where the lines meet each other so it becomes one thin line. And erase. And here we're going to want to, I think, true that up into a straight line. So I'm just going to blend it. This is a good example of truing. So we just kind of made that, because we don't want this line to come out like this, because then at the side seam it's going to be a point. Like, we definitely want it to be straight, like a right angle, so this line stays straight all the way around. And then we do the same to the back, and then we're going to move on to the next step.